GBP JPY done dusted. This was a wrap. So let me just start everything, my analysis, what I saw and how I reacted to this pair. The analysis was simple as usual, guys, and you can see my chart was that much clean. Okay, so far take profit was smashed 205 pips. Yes sir. So as you can see, guys, basically this market looks like it was moving sideways, guys. It was moving sideways. Yes, it's moving sideways. Okay, that is what I read before anything. But I keep on saying that you need to understand how the market is approaching a support or a resistance. So I'll just remove these ones. So if that's the case, we had a level right here. This was a resistance, of course. We had this as a resistance, boom, and also right over here below, that was a support. But what came to my attention, guys, was this type of a pattern. Okay, so let me just show you before that move. So you see how the market was looking like, and you see that this is the case. So that came to my attention, and I said, okay, if this market doesn't want to go down, remember initially I was thinking like this is an impulse, then a correction. After correction, we should continue to go down. But just understanding this mini pattern, guys, that was golden. That meant a lot. Okay, so when I tried to zoom in, I said, okay, if this is the case, now guys, look left. When you look left, this is it. I said, yo, if this pattern is what the market is giving us currently, now if you try to look on the left, guys, look at this level right here. Okay, let me just do this. Let me draw a support right here. Okay, and it respects, guys. And now I say that the market keep on repeating itself, guys, as usual. History, forex about history. Now this pattern right here and this kind of look the same, guys. So that is another red flag. That's a confluence. So when I try to do this, okay, sorry, now taking this bar tool until these levels. Now let me just start again. If I take this from here until this, I don't know why it's not giving me what I need. Okay, let's do that again. Now if I take this level right here, because this is where we first had an impulse all the way up, and now make it right here. You see, it makes sense, guys, because the target was here. This is the target, basically. This is target. Okay, but then I'm going to show the reason why I've also closed that trade. So when I saw that in this market, so I did take that entry, but I gave out the heads up on the free Telegram channel. Yo, I gave them this. This was on January 9th. Today we 11. Today is 11. So I told them, yo, this is the focus analysis. We should be waiting for a pullback. That is, let the market make a mistake. Then now we execute, and this is the case. So let me take you to the 1 hour. Let me take you to the one. So I'll remove this. Delete this. So now, if you try to look at this market, guys, I said, just confirm, before this movement, I said, okay, this market might do this, go up, then I needed the market to pull back. Then now if it breaks, that is when we execute, and this is the case. You see, the market went up. Then now this is before it pulled back, so this is when the market was going up. So I anticipate the market to pull back, give me a new rejection, that is the rejection to this level, and this is the case. And then if it broke, we execute. Easy. That is it. The market respected that. Stop loss below right here. So let me just take you back, and we was like, yo, yes, GBP. So this is when we was in profit, guys. This is when we was in profit yesterday, 10th. You see, blue. And I told them, yo, remember GBP JPY yesterday's, you see, yesterday's swing already taken care of the today's loss. Yeah, I'm going to talk about the loss that we took on NZD USD, which was 18 pips, guys. Remember, we backed in 205 on GBP JPY, so 18 pips won't count. That's why I say, yo, I don't care about the losses. So right in the morning right here, done to 5 pip is okay with me. Why the 18 pip loss we took from NZD yesterday? Video breakdown dropping on YouTube. That is what I'm doing right now. So the reason why I've closed this trade is this. Let me just do another analysis with you guys. So okay, basically I understand this is the target, but 90% true. This level might be the 90% rule, but either way this should have been the target, because that was the target initially. But you have to respect the market. So let me just draw a trend line, just a minute, and show you something. So I did this one just like this. I did something like this. Come on. Right, so let me remove this. I'll remove all this now because already we're done with this. So then now if I try to clone this level right here and maybe make it above right here, you see, it makes sense, yo. It makes sense. The reason why I've closed that trade, it kind of makes sense, because if this is the case, this was kind of a correction, then now this is an impulse, then the market maybe was trying to correct itself before going up. So this is an impulse, so we might expect this kind of a play. We might, but we just have to react to what the market will be doing, right? So if that's the case, let me tell you something, baby. So for us to look for sell position, remember we still have a trend. We still have a trend right here. Just a minute. Let me just use this one. Remember we still have this trend right here. Let me clone this too. So guys, you see we have that type of a trend. So in order for us to call in for sell position, this market needs to take out of this uptrend, needs to take that uptrend out. That is, maybe the market does this, break. That is when we should be looking for something like sell position. But for now, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with everything. So let me take you back on NZD/USD. The reason why we took that loss. Where are you, NZD/USD? And thank you is going up. Yes. Guys, the moment you take a loss, go back to the market and understand why or the reason why you took that loss. Okay, you need to do that. So I went back and analyzed this pair and realized the reason why the loss was taken. And let me just show you NZD/USD right here. So this is what the market was looking like yesterday. That was 10th. Let's go back. So NZD/USD, of course, I'm still okay with the sell position that my analysis gave me, guys. Let me just explain that. This was the high zone basically, and actually let me just take you from the daily. Let me just take it from the daily, guys. My sell position was right, but the market is the market, and I'm going to explain the reason why the stop loss was hit. Okay, so basically this market was at the third touch, baby, at the third touch. So that's circumference we should be going down. You see there, circumference. You see, so if you look at this, guys, this first touch, second touch, of course we also had this another touch. So those are just confident that this market is respecting that trend. And if we have that type of a conference, then now we should be looking for sell position. Now let's bring in our trend line. As usual, let's do this. Okay, let's do this, something like this, either way. Okay, and also we clone that, clone this right here. So you kind of seen that this market broke out of that trend. Okay, then our confidence is still right, and our target, of course, should be right here. You see there. But I'm just a minute, guys. I'm going to show you the reason why we took that loss. Let's go. Now, when I went to the 4 hour, guys, I believe the market was around this before this. Before this move, I believe so. I can't remember, something like that. So guys, this market has taken out that trend line, and of course we had this level right here, and we also had this level right there. So of course guys, let me take you to the 1 hour, how I did take that sale position. Guys, just a minute. I went back and reanalyzed this market and understood the reason why the market took us out. And basically, let me just say guys, I just adjusted my stop loss for me to be taken out early after seeing this market's madness. I just made the stop loss lower. Initially the stop loss was like around 40 something pips, but then I just adjusted the stop loss to be like 18 pips, the next level, so that it just takes me out closely. I was waiting for that. Now if you look at this market clearly guys, we saw that there was a level that this market was respecting. Let me show you. There was this kind of a level right there. So now I said, okay, this is the market. And okay, so I said, okay, somehow the market gave me a double top right here. There's a double top right there. And I saw, okay, this is a continuation. This is a continuation. This is a continuation. Basically, I believe before that candle, before this candle closed, this is how the market was looking like. So the moment that our candle, this red one, let me zoom. The moment this red candle closed, I said, yo, I'm going in for sales. Then I took my sell position right there. So, and I said, initially my stop loss was around this level right here. You see? So that was my stop loss. So if I never adjusted my stop loss, I could have still been a drawdown either way. Could have not been taken out. But then I said, yo, there's this high right here. This high. There's this high. And I say, yo, this market is not looking good. This market is not ready. The reason why I'm saying that this market is not ready is because I realized that this market was kind of still moving sideways now. And one thing I realized, that when the market is moving sideways, that is when the money is lost, So I said, okay, already I'm in this trade. Then what? I won't close. So let me just adjust my stop loss level to around 18 pips. It was 18 pips. Something like this, And I said, yo, let me just take it back. Decided to adjust my stop loss on NZUSD. In case it wants to move up, then let my stop be hit at only 18 pips tighter. I won't care. You see there? So the market did its thing, and immediately went and took me out. And yes, I'm okay with that. You see that? So I realized that this market was not ready, but at the same time I was seeing we still have many confluence, something like maybe this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and now the market is giving me a right shoulder. And now if it's ready, that is when we should be calling in for sale position. So let me remove these. Let me remove anything. Let me remove these. So I said, if this is the case, because I was still in for my sell position, I said, okay, if this market took me out, it's because I was in before the market was ready. So I started eating the food before it was ready. So okay, this is a consolidation type of a play. It's a consolidation type of a play. So this market has that much room to play around. You never know. And okay. So now I came back to reanalyze this market and said, okay, let me do this. Let me take this level that week and maybe something like this, because somehow the market respected that level. I'll just show you magic. Somehow the market respected that level, something like this. Okay, so now if I clone, just before I clone, let me try to extend this. Okay, so now if we clone this, you see that somehow the market has taken out that trend. But at the same time, you never know. You just have to evolve. You can evolve. You can't just evolve like this. You never know, because the market has not taken this high. You see that? So if that's the case, then now clone this, move this. You never know. Now we take care of the week. You see, it somehow makes sense. So basically, we understand that this market, of course, let's just interpret this as a downtrend, an impulse. Now all these are just correction. Now we expect that kind of a play, but at the same time, like I said before, the market is still moving sideways, so it's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. You see, we understand the reason why the market took us out. Okay, the reason why the market took us out, I repeat, is because we took the market, or we took the trade when the market was still consolidating, or we took the trade at the correction phase before we had a confirmation on impulse. So just in case this market wants to go down, we should expect the market to do this, maybe take out this, maybe correct, then now we should continue seeing this type of a play. You never know. But that's it. I hope you guys learned something, and feel free to check out the link in my Telegram in the description, guys. My Telegram link in the description also, guys. And if you want to get funded, link in the description too. There's also a discount, that is, if you use my code, you get 10% discount. Also use the discount code JAN60. And let me just show you what I'm talking about, guys. These are good news. Just $38, you might get 10,000 account funded. So link in the description. So if you click my link, just a minute, let me open my Chrome. Yeah, just like that. So if you click on that link, now you go to two-step ever. Now let's say you want $10,000 account. You click on 10K. I need that two-step. Then 10K. I then maybe MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader whichever. We need 10K. MetaTrader 5. Then now think markets or Blueberry, whichever. Regular is still same as swing. Then now just do your thing. And like I said, you see, basically now 10K account goes for $85. But then now if you have your code JAN60, then you verify right here, you see, you get 10,000 account with only $38. Amazing. Then you complete your order. Or let me say you just want a 25 account, click on 25. MetaTrader 4, 5, think markets or Blueberry, whichever, regular, the same as swing on this pro from the now JANs. Now click on that. Of course, everything is already verified. So 25,000 account goes for $67. Guys, hurry, link in the description. So you have my affiliate code, that's the discount code 10%, and also a discount code of JAN60. So it's going to be amazing if you want, let's say, 100K account. Okay, so when you click on 100K account, as usual, just do the same things: MetaTrader 4, 5, whichever, think market, Blueberry, whichever, regular. Now you fill in everything. Then now you verify everything. See, already everything was verified. So from 539, you see, 100K account goes for $539. But then if you use JAN60 and my code, guys, you get it with only 250. Then now complete order. Guys, that's simple. And also, do not fall for any scam, guys. I do not offer any investment package. I don't trade for anybody, guys. I never text you unless you text me first. Only on Instagram and Telegram. The rest, I'm not there. Alright, guys, so adios, mi amigos. Peace.